Happy Monday, or whenever you're watching this. Today we had a very slow morning. I gotta go to TJ Maxx to get Remy a new bed. Don't really want to spend a lot of time in town. I kind of just need to leave because we have somebody coming to the house today to fix stuff that has been going on with our roof. Yikes. And before storm season, we just want to get that all figured out. And so I'm just gonna go probably look around and see what we can find. I just got back from shopping and the sun is shining. It has been probably the warmest it has ever been in like the past couple weeks. Like, I feel like I haven't seen the sun in weeks. And so it was so nice getting out, just getting that vitamin C in. Also, if you hear noises, we have the guys up on the roof working, because with all this rain and gloomy days that we've gotten, they were starting to leak through the roof. And so we had to get that figured out. But anyways, I am so excited to show you guys what I got. I just got a few things, not really that much, but the things that I got are like staple pieces. And so I'm definitely gonna be putting them around somewhere, but I found some cute little things, and I had to get Remy her bed, so her bed is super cute. So if you're looking for a dog bed, I totally recommend going to either Home Goods or TJ Maxx, because they have really cute ones that they're different, you know, they're not just like gray or black, like they have patterns on them and stuff. Anyways, the sun is shining, so I thought I would stand in front of the window. Oh, that's a little bright. And yeah, so we had a good afternoon shopping, and now I'm back home. Gonna give you guys a little haul, mess around with the decor, and then we are going to work out tonight, come back home, eat dinner at home, and have a chill night before tomorrow. So it's been a really relaxing yet productive day, and so I'm excited to show you guys what I got. I got Remy a bed because sadly, as she's gotten older, she doesn't really like to sleep in the bed with us anymore, and so I got her this cute little checkered white creamish kind of bed. So super cute. It's neutral, so it'll, you know, go with anything all the seasons of the year, and so I really like it. Next up, I got this at Home Goods as well, and this is just like I don't know what the material you would call it, but it's basically a heart that you could hang up anywhere. And so I'm really debating on where I want to put this. I don't know if I'm gonna put it like outside on the door as like a wreath, or if I'm gonna put it in like the gold frames on the wall, or if I'm gonna put it in the kitchen. I really don't know yet. So we're gonna play around with it and see what I like best, but hang them. I think I'm gonna hang these from the fireplace. Super duper cute. I love that they're the light pink. I might just keep these up and the heart throughout spring, because for my spring decor too, because they have flowers on them, and I just really think that this speaks spring and even summer. So I'm probably gonna keep it up and the heart. I just might add some little touches like flowers or something to it. I really like this brand because it's clean and they're natural dog treats, and she's just really liked these ones. And so get her a little Valentine's Day gift. I got her some strawberry and cream cheese treats. So those are super cute. In a Valentine's Day party in February, which I'm so excited about because I think I have like 8 girls coming to the house, which is phenomenal. The more the merrier. And so I ended up getting these plates that I say be mine. They were like a set of 12. Super simple but cute because they're heart shaped. And then I got these really cute love napkins. And so these are going to go like inside the plate, how I will set them up. And so it'll kind of be like a layering process. So you'll have the plate and the napkin on top of each other. And yeah, but that's gonna be really cute for a plate setting. And so I'm super excited to mess around with that. Valentine's Day party is gonna be so fun. And like later on that month, I'm having with my sister-in-law. And so that's gonna be fun. And then we're also making French macarons with my mother-in-law, so Kelly and Kaylin. And so there's just a lot of fun activities that I'm doing this year that I've never done before. I hope you guys enjoyed the little haul. I think I am going to sit down, have a snack, and then maybe I'll decorate. But if I don't decorate today, we will be back tomorrow to decorate with the little things that I got. Good afternoon, friends. It is a couple days later since I filmed, and it's actually so beautiful outside this week. We have been blessed with beautiful weather. I feel like I haven't seen the sun in ages, and so Monday it was so beautiful. The skies were blue, and today it's like almost 60 degrees. The skies are blue, the sun is out, and it just feels so warm, and I just love it. And so I thought I would go ahead and film today, give you guys a little look at my Valentine's decor so far. Literally so simple. I put up the garland already. I just couldn't wait. And so I showed you guys a little bit of what it looks like. And then I also put the little like heart hanging wreath, whatever you call it. I put it on the outside of the door, and then I put it on the inside because I was like, I don't know what I like best. And I got inspired to put some baby's breath in. I could spice this up by putting some flowers in it because it has the little holes. And so I'm gonna do that. I bought some baby breath, and I also have some old dried baby's breath that I'm gonna use. And I'm just gonna cut the stems, and I'm gonna put it throughout the little holes. Home Goods. And so I mean, like, you literally just go get one of those, go get like clearance flowers for $1. I got these for like $1.72, and like these baby's breath, even though they were in the clearance section, like they are brand new. And so a lot of times they put out flowers that aren't even bad because they just have to get rid of them. That is literally the cutest thing I've ever seen in my life. Oh my gosh. And it's not even done yet. Ah, I love it. little full on this side. So we're gonna add a little bit more and then we're going to hang her up.